In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in, and don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of the process to make it as easy as possible. First, we need to start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and look for the login button. Click on it to get started. You might notice several options on how you can log in. For a seamless experience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This way you can log in using your Google account with just a couple of clicks. Make sure you're using the Google account that's connected to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that lists all the websites associated with your account. Go ahead and click on your website to enter the editing mode. You should be directed to your website's overview page, a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. To begin making the changes you want, head over to the edit section. Just click on the edit button and this will take you to the website's editing interface. Now you're ready to make any necessary updates or changes to your site. This is where your creativity can shine, or where you can ensure that your site content is up to date and accurate. Perhaps you want to tweak your homepage, update some images, or fix some text that's been bothering you. Whatever it is, take your time to ensure your changes reflect what you want your audience to see. As you make adjustments, you can see them reflected in real time on the editor, so there's no need to worry. You'll know exactly how everything looks before it goes live. Once you're happy with your changes, the final step is to save your work. Look for the save button and click on it. This action serves a dual purpose. Not only does it save your changes, but it also effectively publishes your updates to the live site. It's a simple step, but an essential one. Remember, without saving, your changes won't appear to the outside world. And there you have it. By clicking save, you've officially published your website. It's that straightforward. Now take a look at your site in its glorious, updated form, and pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Remember, you can make changes and updates anytime by repeating these steps. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to manage your Squarespace website with confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Happy editing,